everyone, I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT data. So to start, go ahead and open ChatGPT and sign into your ChatGPT account. So once signed in, go to your profile at the bottom left corner. Then from here, go to settings. Now on the left side, select data controls. Then at the bottom, you should see export data and select export right here. Now, if you're sure about this, go ahead and click confirm export. So the data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file, and the download link will expire 24 hours after you receive it. So it will take some time and you'll be notified when it's ready. So click confirm export and just wait for it. So approve sign in. So ChatGPT sent a notification to your devices. Open the ChatGPT app on any of them to continue. So open from these devices and just tap on yes, it's me. And that's basically it. So you'll receive an email with a download link. The export typically includes your chat history, account information, custom GPT data, and other account related data associated with your ChatGPT usage. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.